There's absolutely nothing in that exhaust pipe. There is no silencing whatsoever. Here we go. We've got from the Sublime to perhaps original. Because here we have George on the Moto Graziella 49cc. Have a look at, always a showman, always a showman. So he's coming round third and final. It's not the first fight, because Benelli came in first forward with 6-cylinder inline engine, 750 version. This is being piloted by Doug Gibson, a member of the Maxiro Group, who uses this bike as Maxiro runs. It's a piece of kit. He actually wrote down some touring history on it, and as you can see, it's pretty road legal. Look at those pipes on it. 6 pipes. Careful now. There's not an obstacle. Certain Alex George in his leathers on a Honda CB11. This is the star of the show, Alex George on a fairly modern bike. It was actually a racing bike, although Stuart Jonah keeps it on the road. Serious piece of kit, gorgeous piece of kit. It's very well looked after by its owner. Alex has done a ball on it. It's a lovely time. Fabulous. The forerunner of the Suzuki very famous RG500 bikes. And this is a serious piece of kit. Now, Colin, the owner, who uses this on classic motorcycle racing events, as you can see, he's put some silencers on it because he says it's brutal without, and I can understand that. But that is a serious, very pucker racing machine. Very light, being 2-stroke, obviously. Any more? I think we might have another special coming up. You can't